Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to organize the garage. Here's our garage before. It was a lot worse. I moved all of Grant's stuff just over. He had it everywhere. And I swept this area here. We bought this shelf. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put the shelf either there or move all this stuff and put it here. Grant would like to insulate and drywall this entire garage, but that is way down the road in my opinion. That's gonna take a really long time, and right now I just need to get organized. As you can see behind me, I have a ton of outside tools for the house, projects, stuff for the beach. So all that just needs to be put up on a shelf. So my mom and I went to Costco. We bought one of those industrial type shelves. So we're gonna build that and just get everything a little bit more organized in here. This is the before. And that is all Grant's tools, but he's a woodworker, so he needs everything.
These are those directions that I don't have the patience for. You're gonna have to figure it out. You're good at directions.
Put it right here.
Will it fit? Move it over there and see.
Just built that shelf, and I was able to put all of my Christmas decor. I only have 2 boxes, but anyway, my luggage and the boys' clothes to grow into. So I'm so excited. I got all this stuff out of my house, and now it's being stored in the garage where it should be stored. And now I'm gonna tackle this area right here and start organizing. Here is all the stuff I am donating and possibly throwing away, but these are chains for our car that we've never used. They were handed down to us, and then just some stuff that we don't need anymore. Okay, this is a Rubbermaid hanger. It's called Rubbermaid Fast Track. I'll link it below if I can find a link. And they're super easy to put up, and that's all the stuff we use all the time for gardening and the yard work. Here we have a shelf. I bought this at Costco. My mom and I made it, as you saw. And this is shelving everything that we either use for projects or we need to access throughout the year. So we have obviously luggage for when we go on trips. This is Christmas decor. This is fishing, and this is extra bins in case we need them. This is the clothes for the boys to grow into. That's an ice chest. Then we have tools and projects in those 2 bins, and then we have Christmas and then miscellaneous home decor and another ice chest. We have a few chairs in case we have a party. And then over here we have, it's pretty obvious, but down here I have a bunch of cleaners and miscellaneous stuff for cars. Then we have stuff for painting, potting soil. This is a bin for future projects. I decided just to put it all in one bin. Then we have our paint left over. And then up here is more useful stuff that we use all the time, touch-up paint, a mask, and then I have my gardening stuff in here and all my tools in here. On a side note, I'm so happy with all the decluttering that we did in the last few years, and that's because I've whittled all of our Christmas decor down to 2 little boxes, this little box and that little red and green box down there. And it makes me so happy because before I had probably 5 or 6 boxes, and now I know we just have everything that we love and we put out every single year. And that amount of minimalism I'm very happy with because I still like to decorate. It makes me happy. So it's just perfect to have it out here where I can get to it when I need it at Christmas time. I hung our fire extinguisher because safety first. This pegboard was already on the wall, and it's really convenient because I can buy these little, I bought these little things from Home Depot, and you can just put them in and hang everything you need. I am such a sweaty mess because it is so hot today, but I'm so happy that my mom and I spent the time to work on this project because it has made such a difference in here. It's so organized now, and I was able to take a lot of the things that I was storing inside, like my luggage and the Christmas decor, the boys' clothes, and put it out here because we don't need it very often. So it's better off in an area where it's stored out of the way so we can use our daily items in our house. And I'm just so happy with this. I will link everything I can in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.